Welcome back to my channel. We're back in my apartment today because I have a very special guest waiting in the wings. Onyx, can you come out, Onyx? Yes. You did so good. Today is Onyx's first, no, stay here. Today is her first birthday, so I'm gonna make her a birthday cake. I mean, what else is there to say? What do you think? You want cake? Something good? Something delicious? So distracting. Am I boring you? This isn't the intro you had in mind? You wanted more zest, maybe? Okay. So we're gonna go to the kitchen and make Onyx a healthy puppy dog banana peanut butter cake. Shh. Oh my God, it's so nice to be back. For you at least, I live here every day. Okay, we're gonna bake this cake. Obviously, this is a cake for dogs, so I'm going to make it with only dog-friendly ingredients, low sugar. I've double-checked to make sure that everything is safe. I have my assistant. She's here and she's ready to work. Right, Onyx? Okay, you ready? I'm gonna mix it. I'm so sorry about the dog voice. I'm so sorry, but I'm not gonna stop. So in this bowl, I have 3 defrosted frozen ripe bananas. You could use fresh ripe bananas, but I always have them in the freezer. So 3 in here. I'm gonna mash it up. Onyx, come here. Up, up. Good. To that, I'm gonna add 2 eggs. Onyx likes to lick the liquid out of the shell. No, you can't have the shell. Okay, we have that, and now I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of olive oil. You could use coconut oil, whatever. Okay, and then to that, I'm adding a teaspoon of cinnamon. 2 cups of flour. I have a mixture of oat flour and gluten-free flour, but you can use like wheat flour if you're not gluten-free, whatever. Onyx likes oatmeal. And I'm also going to add to that a teaspoon of baking powder. If you don't want to use banana, you can also use like 1/2 cup of sweet potato puree or pumpkin puree. So I'm just gonna mix it, and that's it. No sugar, no salt, it's for dogs. Put it in the pans. And humans can eat this. It just obviously doesn't have salt and sugar in it. I will put these in the oven and let them bake for like 20-30 minutes. Yeah. Okay, our cakes have baked. The first flour mix I had coconut flour in it and like turned into a giant cookie, but Onyx doesn't mind. I made another batch so she can have a nice tall cake. So double batch cake for the puppy. Now for the frosting. Some dog frostings are made out of like cream cheese or something, but it's a little bit too high fat and too high dairy. And I want her to be able to like eat it. So I'm gonna be using this instant mashed potato powder. It's just plain, there's no flavoring. You want to make sure that there's especially no garlic or onion. So that goes in here. Oh my God. You can also just make mashed potatoes and like boil them until they're very soft and then mash them. But I've always wanted to make these. I don't know if that's weird. Okay, so this is a cup of hot water to just dissolve the potato flakes. And then I'm gonna add another 1/2 cup of water, so 1.5. Yeah, that's an instant potato. And then to the instant potato, I'm gonna add some yogurt to make it a little bit thinner. Okay, I added the yogurt and it's still too mashy, so I'm gonna add more water. need a whisk. And because I'm extra, I wanted to do like a filling for the cake, so it's gonna be cinnamon banana cake with a peanut butter, mashed potato buttercream filling. I hope she likes it. I'm gonna mix some of this mashed potato into this peanut butter. Okay, so patootie buttercream, wonky puppy cake, and then I take a tiny bit of my peanut butter mashed potato filling. If you didn't pay attention that this was for dogs, you might be confused right now. You're gonna freak out. Okay. Final layer. Okay. Now you just act like it's regular buttercream, you know? Am I crumb coating? I guess I just started accidentally. Also, I don't have any of my cake baking tools. They're all at the bakery. Okay, so we have crumb coated. It looks like regular cake. It's so heavy. I'm gonna put this in the freezer for a second. I think I'm gonna make a little bit more mashed potato. Yes. Okay, I'm going to color some of this for better frosting. So I'm gonna set some aside here. And here I have some beet juice that I'm going to use to color it. Pretty. Okay, and then in this little one I'm gonna make it yellow with some turmeric. And turmeric tends to deepen as it sits, so just know that the color will mature. Okay. This I'm gonna leave white. Okay. And I'll just frost it. It's technically totally safe to use synthetic food colorings like the Wilton food coloring if you want, but I just prefer to use the beet juice. Okay, so now we're gonna pipe this mashed patootie, I guess. Oh my god, it works so well! Okay, now I have to make a human cake with mashed potato frosting. Okay, let's do some shells. Okay, now I have a plan for some more decoration. I know you're like, Lauren, stop, that's enough. You've decorated enough. Please stop, you've seen enough. No. I'm gonna put Onyx's favorite treat on here, eggs. She loves eggs. The yolk. It looks like flowers. How do I make it look more like an egg? That one looks like an egg. Because you just gotta off-center the yolk. Flowers or eggs, you decide. And then I guess I'll do a little bit more decorating with the potato I have, and this puppy gets her birthday cake soon. Well, we have a peanut butter and banana cake with mashed potato frosting that is a banana cinnamon sponge. It's more like a muffin. peanut butter potato filling and mashed potato frosting. This is so cute. Exactly for an eggnog. Okay, let's go watch Onyx destroy this birthday cake. So this is what goes on Tuesday nights at our house. Onyx loved it, and she did not hesitate to destroy her cake. We had so much cake left over that we got to share it with some of her other dog friends in the building, so that was fun. Thanks so much for watching. If you make this dog cake, please tag me on Instagram or on TikTok. I'd love to see it.